So if the crypto bug has bitten you like it's bitten me, if you stay up all night on WhatsApp groups looking for trading suggestions, this next guest may be someone you want to follow. Eddie Meek is a technical analysis trader, or a technical trader, and he uses charts to make decisions on trading suggestions. Now I follow Eddie, and Eddie calls it spot on every single time. How do you make these trading decisions that you make?
Firstly, you just got to keep it simple. I think that's important. From a technical perspective, I follow a few principles. One is the Elliott wave principle, which I think is quite fascinating in terms of how Elliott studied humans in terms of how they move from impulse decisions to panic. And basically that is in a buy and a sell scenario.
So Elliott said that we move, when we make any type of decision, from an impulse to getting into the trade,
yes,
and then we panic when it goes down, right?
Yeah.
So it forms a wave.
Yes. So what will happen in your first movement, people are buying, and then everybody says, okay, I want to take some profits. And those people start to sell. And then the people that were buying say, oh, geez, it's going down. So they panic. And they also start to sell. And then everybody starts to sell, and the stock actually retracts.
So it's almost like a self-fulfilling prophecy. So
yeah,
because everyone starts selling, the price starts going down. Yes. What makes it turn again?
The next part of technical analysis is a guy called Fibonacci. If you at school, if you studied the series of numbers, which is 1, 3, 5, 8, 13, the Fibonacci circle, and he, in terms of the retraction and the actual waves, which is extension, came out with he discovered certain levels. There's a 23 level, a 30, and the 50 level is quite new. Fibonacci didn't have that, and then there's a 68 level. He said that it would retract to those points and would find some sort of support before you get the next wave, which is the third wave of Elliott.
Let's use a real example. So I've got the Bitcoin graph up for you over here.
Okay.
$4,200 is the price of Bitcoin at the moment on the graph. What am I looking at?
Okay, so what we saw in the last couple of weeks is Bitcoin has been trading in a channel. Okay, as you can see it there, it's trading in this channel. But what's actually forming, and you get these bottoms all the time, which are moving up, which creates a rising wedge. In technical analysis, that would be called a rising wedge, which basically implicates the fact that soon there's going to be a trend reversal. Now the trend is going upwards, the reversal means it's going to start coming down. And you saw yesterday, they actually started to run quite close to the cone of the rising wedge and actually broke through the bottom layer, resistance layer. And that's where we saw that drop down to around about A, and then we saw the bear flag starting to create.
So it goes A and then it goes up to B. That's people.
Goes up. That's so basically bulls and bears fighting over price. Okay, the bears wanted to come down, the bulls wanted to go up.
And what happens when it goes down to C?
So when it gets now, the bear flag starts forming, and bear flags are also quite dangerous purely because they indicate trend continuation. Okay, so bear flag, because trend is moving down, bear flag creates, you're going to get more trending going down. And there you could see it today. It actually got to a particular point, broke out downwards. And if I had to map a line across here, our breakout point is about there. And once it breaks out there, you can read the next levels of support on Fibonacci.
Okay, so when we look at this graph, where's it going?
I think at the moment it's found support at basically 4.2. In terms of my analysis, I'll either see it going down a bit more, a bear flag moving, and then you see more movement or trending downwards, or we see a reversal and it goes back up for first wave Elliott.
So where's your money, on the reversal or on the continuation?
No, I'm actually just watching at the moment.
So you're just watching it?
I'm just watching. I sold the other night, Monday night I sold, and I rebought at A yesterday. I think you followed that on WhatsApp. I gave some people some advice there. And at the moment, I think it's a little bit too early to call whether, I think there's opportunities to get in now if people are looking to get in, but they need to watch that C movement there, whether that creates another bear flag, continuation downwards, or we see some movement up on a first wave Elliott.